Welcome to the Wicked Kitchen. You are gonna love this stroganoff. We're making wicked AF with Beyond Meat and some of the oyster mushrooms. It's awesome. Let's check it out. So I wanna start off with the sauce quickly, okay? And then we'll get into the meat. So for the sauce, I'm just gonna use 1/2 a head of cauliflower. And we're just gonna do a quick chop on the cauliflower. 1/2 a head. Just like that. I'm gonna add all this to the pot. And I'm gonna add to that pot, I'm gonna add about 6 heads of garlic. And then I'm gonna cover this with water, 1 bay leaf, and cover it with water. So this, I'm just gonna turn the heat on, crank it up, bring that to a boil, add a pinch of salt, and we're gonna bring that to a boil. And while that's boiling, we'll get on the other stuff. I've preheated the oven to 420, and we're gonna just get into these mushrooms. I am gonna use the mushrooms differently. I usually make steaks, as I mentioned, and we're just gonna use the pieces for this one. I'm just cutting the bottom piece off that holds it all together. Toss out this little bit, and then just pull apart the petals, leaves, whatever you wanna call them, the mushrooms. I'm gonna kind of leave them whole unless they're too big, because they will shrink up. Just rip them in half like that. So I'm just gonna put that to the side here. I'm gonna dice this 1 onion. It's 1/2 an onion. So just quick dice of that onion. So I just boiled off 1 whole box of pasta shells and then drained it. So that was right before here. I'm gonna put that to the side and just have that ready to go. I'm gonna add a little bit of the oil. Just a little bit. I'm gonna add the onion right to it. And I'm gonna add these mushrooms. I'm gonna flake into it the Beyond Meat. So on top. Just break it up in the pan. Okay, so the mushrooms and the Beyond, that's all starting to cook down a little bit. What I want to do is get ready to season it. So I'm going to season it. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fennel seed and then a teaspoon of oregano. And I'm going to just mash that because I don't want those fennel seeds in there. I just want the pieces. You see that? Looks gorgeous. So I'm going to add that right to it. I'm going to add some black pepper, good teaspoon, and then another pinch of salt. And just give that a stir. Just break up the Beyond pieces in there so they're more of a mince style, not so chunky, and let all those flavors start to come together. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven now for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and during that time, we'll start to make the sauce because it's almost starting to boil here. So just pop this in. All right, so we're gonna start to make the sauce. So the garlic and the cauliflower goes right in. Whatever little bit of water is there, just not much, all right? I'm gonna season it, a little bit of nooch, so it's probably like 4 tablespoons. Maybe 5. I'm gonna use a pinch of salt, a good pinch of black pepper, some onion powder, and then 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And then I'm gonna use Oatly as the barista. This is a really good unsweetened plant-based milk alternative. So I'm gonna slowly start this. And then start adding it. All right, so you're gonna wanna blend that for at least 2 to 3 minutes until it's silky smooth and all incorporated. All right, so to finish the dish, I have the big pot that I boiled the pasta in. I'm gonna just put that right on the heat, just crank that up so that starts heating up. I will take out the Beyond, and you can see it's nice and started to brown up nicely. I'm just gonna add all of this right to the pot. So I'm gonna add it right to here. Right. I'm gonna put that back on the stove and heat it up because I'm gonna deglaze the pan with a little bit of white wine. So I have half a glass of white wine and just putting it in the pan here and just deglaze that. Get all those flavors out of there and add them right to the Beyond. I am gonna add the cream. So I'm gonna add all this cream. Because we cooked off quite a bit of pasta, I'm gonna bring this up to a boil quickly. Add the pasta, the peas, season it if we need to, toss it, stir it, and then it's done. All right, so I'm gonna add the peas. These are frozen peas, just 1 cup. I'm also gonna add the pasta right to this dish, right to this. And stir that up. And then I have some of this fresh parsley. I'm just gonna add that. And so this is looking about done. Okay, so here you have it. Check this out. Look at how amazing this is. Super creamy, super decadent, wicked AF. A little bit of the parsley on there. All right, guys, there you have it. Wicked makeshift stroganoff right here using Beyond Meat. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, you guys. Appreciate you all watching. And thank you again to all the farmers out there growing veg. Without you, we wouldn't be able to do any of this. See you soon. It's working good. 1 for the gram.